Ever wondered which vegetables would thrive best in your unique growing conditions? Whether you're juggling tiny spaces, battling the cold, or turning your living room into a mini jungle, we've got the perfect veggie matches for you. Indoor gardening? Check. Compact apartment space? No problem. Frosty winters? We've got your back. We take the guesswork out of gardening, so you can stop wondering and start planting. Signing up is free at app.stronggecko.com. We're super excited to announce that we've just launched V1 beta, and this is only the beginning. Over the next few months, we're rolling out even more cool features that'll help you become a veggie-growing wizard, whether you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie. So, why wait? Start growing smarter today, and let's make your garden dreams a reality. You can grow it.